What?
This video?
Maybe. Did we get a package? Go get it.
It's from Disney World.
It's from Disney World?
It has a castle on it. See that?
Who's it to?
Who? Bailey?
Hmm?
From Bailey.
From Bailey?
It says Bailey on it.
Yeah, I think that means it's to Bailey.
Let's open it up.
Do you think we should?
What's going on?
Bailey just got a package.
You got a package? Who's it from?
Who?
I don't know. It says MM.
M.
Mm-mm.
Yep. Must be from
Let's,
Well.
let's open it.
Whoa.
Giant surprise!
Do you know a giant chicken?
No.
No? Oh. I wonder what it is. Who sent you a giant surprise egg?
I don't know.
Me either.
Let's go open it up.
Oh, there's a piece right there. Oh, did you get
What?
that one?
Yep.
Is there any more over there?
I think this is the only one I can get off.
Oh, that's the only one? Okay, I'll get the rest of them.
Same.
See if there's any more.
I mean, like.
This MM, whoever this MM is, did a good job packing this.
Thanks, Emma.
Thanks, MM, whoever you are.
Yeah. Look at her. Look at her.
I see her.
Look at her. Who is Emma anyway?
I don't know. Let's open up the egg, see if we can figure it out. All right. Come over here. Come over here. Those are cool.
What are these? It's a hat.
It is a hat.
Like you guys.
Uh-huh. Look. There's almond on it. That's
Yeah.
cool. Some envelopes. What else is in here? Oh, who's that?
Aurora.
Cool.
Snow White.
Yep.
Rapunzel.
Cool.
Belle. Princess Tiana.
Yeah. Look. What are these?
Oh no.
I don't know either. I'm not sure.
Look, it's a
Is that Jasmine?
yeah,
Yeah.
right here.
Uh-huh.
Goose chicken.
Tiana.
And last one, Ariel.
Mhm.
Oh, this one has plastic on it.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, I'm not sure.
All around it.
Yep. Is that the only thing in there? All right.
Oh,
Well, that's cool. I don't know who M is, but MM is, but that's pretty nice.
It's a shirt
Is that a shirt?
for me, I
I
think.
guess. Let's open it up and see what it is.
It's a Disney shirt.
That is neat. I like that. Who was on there? Let's see. Huh. That's cool. Well, we got these. Should we open these up?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one should we open first? The one that says 1 or the one that says 2?
One.
That's sound thinking, American. Alright, let's see what we got.
What? Ow.
Somehow that Emma knows me.
Yeah, we don't know how. Here, let's see. You want me to read it? Do you want to read it?
Yeah. You read it.
Dear Bailey, hiya. It's me, your old pal, Mickey Mouse. MM! That must be who MM is. That's cool. I hear that you really like watching videos from my home here in Disney World, especially the Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid and the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train too. Yeah. I also know that you want to come visit us here in Disney World someday.
How?
I don't know. Well, how about you come in November? Oh boy, that'd be swell. Minnie, Pluty, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, and I can't wait to see you. Until then, be a good girl, do well in school, and we'll see you in November. Your pal, Mickey Mouse. What'd that just say?
I forget some of it. I just remember all the characters and then.
Let's try rereading it, okay?
Let's go over that middle
Yeah,
part again.
Let's go over the middle part. Says you like watching Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. Would you like to watch that, right? Said the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. You like to watch that ride on YouTube?
Yep.
It says, I know that you want to come visit us here in Disney World someday. You want to go to Disney World someday? And it says, well, how about you come in November? You like that? Is that a good idea?
Yeah, even though it's a long time until November.
Yeah, you're right. So, do you want to go to Disney World in November?
Fine.
That's fine. Okay. It says, P.S. Open the other envelope for a special surprise. A picture of everyone who's going to Disney World with you. Here you go.
Yay!
I'm going to Disney World? Yeah! I'm going to Disney World!
And Daddy!
I get to go too?
Yeah.
Who else?
I better get my hat.
Maisie!
Uh-huh.
And me!
And who else?
Grandma and Papa!
Mm-hmm.
Connor and Kaden and Megan and Sean and Robert Ducky. Too bad older grandma doesn't get to come.
She's going in September.
What?
She's going to go in September.
September 2.
No, we're going in November. Do you know how many days away that is? 100.
I count 100.
So are you excited?
Bye everyone, see you on next video.
All right, bye.